Namaste student, Khusro Pitia. So now we are going to study about the clinical importance of the biomedical artifacts. These artifacts do not have any real significance clinically. Before that, we have already discussed about the types of artifacts and what do you mean by artifacts of the biomedical signals. In this chapter, we are also give importance the clinical importance. These artifacts do not have any real significance clinically, or instead these thought remove. There are various methods involved in the removal of artifacts. Normally, in this is suppose a noise which is maybe occur due to the unwanted signals of different source of our body, maybe from the surroundings, maybe from the instruments. So we can remove these artifacts using different techniques. Removal of articles can be done by making the sure of the patient is relaxed and do not move or speak, utilizing the filters present in the device such as muscular filter, making sure the electrodes of transducer do not gel dry of the most. Artifacts removal is primarily used in the ECG or ECG. The build-up of the oil and proper lubricants between the two adjoining method is also key methods of removal. These biological signals being filtered and clear of artifacts and safe to be used to check the fluctuations in the patient physical or mental state in the field of surgery or the diagnosis of symptoms of disease. They can occur seemingly unavoidable circumstances such as blinking of eyes, hence impossible to complete prevent them. They must be prevented to the utmost level and removed later. Artifact removal do not cause any discomfort to the patient, but it is the most of the medical staff change the patient through different mechanisms. Through the use of modern technology has reduced its effect over the year. Recent medical advancements have shown the biosignals corrected and removed the artifacts could later be used and recognize the various emotions of the person. So this is the clinical importance of artifacts. Thank you.